Let me tell you right now that your next video could book you 10 more qualified calls this month if you do this one thing right, that is search-based content, which by the end of this video I'll show you exactly how to do. Here's my last video. It got 37.8% in YouTube search, and I also made 10k a month in content marketing. But in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to find the right video ideas that work for you just by getting these things that I'm about to show you right, and it's going to get you so many leads. And every day you're not using this method, you're leaving money on the table. So the faster you implement this, the quicker you see results. Anyways, let's get into it. So why is search-based content important? Well, if you do not have search-based content, you're competing with industry giants. These channels that have 100k or 200k subs, and it's gonna make it impossible for you to land yourself on the homepage with this 100 subscriber channel. So being dependent on homepage or algorithm content is very risky, because the way algorithm actually works is when someone hops into your video, YouTube will ask them, okay, did they watch for long? If the answer is yes, it's gonna show your video to these type of people. While if the answer is no, it's gonna find you different kind of audience. So if you aim for broad homepage content, it's gonna be pretty much random who lands on these type of videos, and it's gonna take you way longer time to actually land on the right type of customer. So this is why we need to focus on search-based content, because search-based content allows us to target our ICP with specific videos, and specific videos usually gives us lower but more predictable views. And the majority of those views are also qualified views, meaning these are the people who you want to work with. So the way this goes is they're gonna search a problem on YouTube, they're gonna click your video, because it's good, it's gonna fix their pain, and they're gonna subscribe to you. Which then leads them to watching multiple of your videos and later becoming a client. So this is why it's so important for us to make those searchable content, because it gives us the ability to find those people who are in need of our services. So anyway, let me show you how to find the right videos to make. So all you really need to do is think a really specific, painful question your ideal customer is searching for. Because most of the times, when they are searching that problem on YouTube, the video is really old and most likely contains outdated information. So you can literally copy the same video format and have a better thumbnail and with modern information. Because this is gonna attract more people to your videos, and also because your video is the most modern, it's gonna give them the most amount of value. So let me show you right now how to find these specific problems. You can look them up from Google or Reddit. Well, if you type, how do I get clients for my business? You can use these for very specific video ideas, like how to network to get clients, or how to improve your website to get higher conversion rate. Or alternatively, you can go to Reddit, and this guy is facing problem with how do I actually find clients. You could easily make video on, even look at this. This guy is following videos on YouTube and is having problems with client acquisition. I could make a video on how you can get clients on YouTube and fix this guy's problem, because I think he right now is doing cold messaging. Yeah, he's doing cold messaging. So I could make a video how to get clients without cold messaging on LinkedIn. And probably I could get this guy as my client. And you know, Reddit is the place where people having relatable problems. So most likely, more than one guy is actually having this problem. So it gives me a really good video idea on making just how to get clients on YouTube, because it seems that nobody here is actually giving this guy the right information. You can also make videos on problems you have solved yourself, and these can be either common problems or uncommon problems. For example, I used to struggle with making scripts for my videos, so I made video on how to write scripts for a YouTube channel. I also used to struggle with ideation, so I made video on how to find video ideas to generate leads. Or even more uncommon, like YouTube description videos are very rare, but I used to make like very big SEO filled descriptions and it didn't get me any leads. So until I realized that I need to make shorter descriptions, I found out that I got more clients. So I made a video on that. And usually, the less specific these videos are, the less views you're obviously gonna get, but they are more than likely qualified views. And in these videos, you need to provide unique solutions. Because everybody is just providing generic surface level advice, so it's very easy to stand out if you just give them a new perspective on the existing topic and create tangible, quick value solutions. Like imagine this, everyone around you is a square, while you have the red triangle solution to that problem. People are obviously gonna pick this one, because it stands out and gives them the best solution for the problem. And I actually did this on one of my past videos, so I showed my viewers that they should make Google Doc and put their everything that they know about their audience, and then they can combine that Google Doc with Claude AI, and it becomes like a free content assistant for them, and it's gonna speed up their content creation process. And I literally use this whole process myself. So it's very unique advice, because I haven't heard anyone actually say that on their YouTube videos, which makes me to stand out and gets me more clients than them. Of course, not self-promoting, but you can take this advice and apply it on your own niche to stand out from your competitors. Anyway, moving on. You can also use vidIQ to find high volume, low competition keywords. So I'm about to show you this right now. Go to your vidIQ and go to your keyword tab and try to find a really broad question in your niche, like YouTube lead generation. Obviously the score is, well, it's okay, but we could find some like better questions. So go to related keywords tab and just find keywords that have low competition but high search volume. So usually score above 60 is good. Well, here isn't really any good, but here, for example, how to get leads with YouTube ads. Competition is very low and the search volume is okay. We could go even further, but we don't have that much time on this video. But like lead generation is good keyword to include in your video titles. Anyway, back on titles. Make sure your titles are clear and tangible, okay? People do not want to have confusing titles, because they do not, like, first of all, you need to type that confusing title and it's just not gonna show up in search results. Also make your title short as possible, like this one. How to edit 10x faster in 5 minutes. It's short and it literally tells you the pain state that you're editing slow, and it gives us the clear solution to the desired state, like how to edit 10x faster in 5 minutes. Also make sure to include relevant keywords like editing, 10x faster, or in 5 minutes. Because the more you have relevant keywords that have this low competition but high search volume, the easier it is to find your video. But remember that search-based content isn't just about the titles. It literally influences your whole content creation process. So when someone clicks on your video, they click your video because they're looking for a solution to their problems. So it actually might be the best idea to restate the title in your video's intro to confirm what they're actually looking for. So it would go like this. Well, this video looks cool, I might click this one. And your intro just confirms what the video is about. So it gives them the feeling that, yeah, this is the exact video that I'm looking for. So you need to design your intros like this. So nobody wants to hear you yap about your sponsors, your history, etc. Your audience just want their problem solved. So make your intros following this format. So first have something that interrupts the pattern and gives them a reason to stay. So have a shocking fact like, your next video could book you 10 more calls in this month. That's someone that stands out from the crowd. So next up we have problems, because people want their problems to be solved as quick as possible. So you just want to tell something like, this video is gonna fix all of their pains. Then just show quick proof or competency of results, and then follow up with plan. So how you're gonna actually fulfill the promise you made in your intro. This can be either frameworks or list of something like, well, I'm gonna show you how to find the right video ideas. I'm also gonna show you how to target your target audience, etc., right? And make sure your video gets to the problem as quick as possible. So make sure your intros are very short and the rest is just filled with bunch of value. And make sure it's not really needed, but it always helps if you speak with keywords, because YouTube has this transcript feature. It records the words you're saying. So if you say keywords that people might be searching for, YouTube is gonna take the transcript and push your video in that search term simply because you said something that your ICP might be looking for. Also, your descriptions matter as well, but make sure they're one clear sentence so it doesn't confuse your audience, and have 1 to 2 links maximum. And make sure the sentence includes SEO terms like more leads, scale your business, and simple YouTube videos, in my example. You could have something like scale your business, MRR, lead generation, something that actually interests your target audience. But make sure they're one sentence and have 1 to 2 links maximum. Also, community posts matter. So make sure you make community posts that include keywords your ICP might be searching for. And I'm kind of testing this right now. Does your username matter in YouTube? And it actually does. Because when you search YouTube leads, I changed my channel name to YouTube leads, and it's gonna show you my channel as the first search result on YouTube search. Because the thing is, my name is hard to say and doesn't really tell what my channel is about, because I'm not a big figure, so people are not gonna search my name on YouTube. So it's better for me to have my service in my YouTube username rather than my real surname. Also make sure you have better thumbnails than your competitors. So, because these guys have relatively same thumbnail, most people are gonna assume these videos contain the same information. While I have pretty much different thumbnail to all of these guys, and it's gonna make my video to stand out, and people are gonna think I have some kind of new information to offer to them. So, imagine again everyone around you as a square. You want to be the triangle out of the group. Like in this example. These are relatively similar thumbnails, while this one kind of sticks out and is the triangle around a bunch of squares. So what I recommend you to do is find different thumbnails in your niche from your competitors and try to figure out a way to be a bit of an anomaly in that niche so you can actually stand out and people are more likely to click on your video. Anyway, quick recap. In this video you learned how to find the right videos to make with unique ideas, how to make searchable videos with vidIQ, also how to make titles clear and problem focused, how to make good descriptions, and how to make good thumbnails that gets you the most amount of clicks. And if you're a business owner who wants a no-nonsense path to getting clients with simple videos, you can check the link out in this video's description. Anyways, have a wonderful day guys, peace out.